So sad to now confirm the tragic news that was first reported by TMZ that former Lakers star Kobe Bryant was killed today in a helicopter crash in the Los Angeles area. Sources told ESPN's Adrian Wojnarowski, and TMZ first reported Bryant's death. Unimaginable news to share on this Sunday. The 41-year-old Kobe Bryant has passed away in a helicopter crash. The 18-time NBA All-Star and one of the pillars in NBA history and in modern sports history. We will have continuing coverage on all of our ESPN platforms throughout the day. At some point, we will break away from our coverage here from this 2020 Pro Bowl. And we will give you the latest that is coming in from all the news sources. But we share with you the tragic news casting a pall across this Sunday in America that Kobe Bryant was killed in a helicopter crash today.